Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Monday, October 30th, 2017. This video, I want to show you the methodology behind two day trades we did today in the intraday stock chat. That's the intraday stock chat at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I want you to learn why we're making the money we're making in the chat room, the technical reasoning behind it. It is very, very simple. First off, you can obviously join the chat room just to get the calls, and I give you my exact entries and so forth, or you can just do it for yourself once you learn the process. Today we took Merck. Merck getting slammed after a drug was withdrawn from European approval. And again, this was a very easy trade. First off, the stock already got clobbered. You can see it was trading all the way up near 66 a couple weeks ago. It had slowly fallen down to about 62. Then it got a slam down on Friday here and another gap down today. The key is it was already oversold, so that's the first thing that clicks in my head. It was gapping down, and the key is it went into major support here. So again, you had very, very key support right in this range. There's a pivot point here. There's a pivot point right here. If you zoom back here, it actually goes right over into this area as well. You can see these little pivot tops, pivot top, pivot top, pivot top right there. It was the 55 piercing level, so that you had an even number getting pierced. It went down to 54.41. The 55 number would be key, so you let that on the way down pierce, go below that. You wait patiently on the flush. You utilize the secondary levels right here as a eye candy kind of entry point, and then you also look for Fibonacci levels, and this happened to be a 618 retrace, 61.8% retrace from this low here to this high. So see these three highs? You had a triple top up here, and it stalled out. This was a 618 retrace Fibonacci level as well. So these three things just signal to me, buy, 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 buy. We bought it, and look at the bounce on it. This was a beautiful day trade scalp in the intraday stock chat. One of two today. We took two trades in the morning session, both winners. Good for most investors, most traders in there. Easily made a G note on the day's trades. The next trade we did was Apple, folks. Let me show you this chart here on Apple, folks. This is a very easy chart. These are former trend lines, not needed at this point. This was a very easy trade, although it went above the level we entered, at least initially, but came back in, paying us substantially. All we did was take a trend line here. First of all, notice again, you have an extension move. So first off, from just Friday's action, so from Thursday's close, Friday, and today, the stock was already up $10. That's a huge, I mean, think about the market cap of Apple, and the stock's up $10 in 2 consecutive trading days. And really, it was just Friday was up big, and then today in the first hour or two was up. I mean, really in the first hour, because we took the trade after the first initial big pop on the stock went to these highs. But all we did here was notice that it was an extended move. All right, it had no pullbacks of significance intraday yet, so you knew something was going to trigger a sell-off. All right, next what we did was we took this pivot high here and see this high here, and then this one. They all connect beautifully. So again, notice that, right? So just put that trend line right there. High pivot to high pivot to high pivot. You pierced it briefly here, came back below. Then you touched it again here. And then look at how you went right there, pierced it by a little bit. That's why I said we were out of the money for a little bit there. And then it came right back in, and we were able to make a very nice profit right there. So that's just a beautiful little trade right there. Those were the two trades in the intraday stock chat again today. The only two trades, 2 winners. My goal for the week is 10 winners with only 2 losers. So we're going to try to bat more than 80% this week. We're off to a good start with 2 winners. I encourage you to come to InTheMoneyStocks.com, take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center if you want swing trades, or the chat room 7 free trial if you want 7-day free trial if you want the intraday stock chat. And again, Research Centers for daily videos, analysis, swing trades, and you get the exact entries, or the day trading chat room where you get the exact entries of my day trades live, me on a microphone just like this. You'd listen to me live instead of on a video right now. That's where it's at, folks. Get involved. The money's here to be made. Even though the market's just kind of floating, there is money to be made in this market. We'll see it in themoneystocks.com, folks. See you soon. Take care.